It is not safe. Now I'm at one. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning and welcome back to Not So Consistent but Not So Boring vlog of Boring Both. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love to see those smiling faces. So right now I'm at the middle of the Manali Rohtang highway, and beautiful day, beautiful place, and obviously beautiful people. So I want to thank each one of you for all the love and support you showed in all my previous videos, in all my vlogs. Thank you so much for supporting, because यही चीज़ यार जो motivate करती है when you see those number of likes increasing, number of subscribers increasing. So just keep supporting and thank you so much. As the title suggests, my budget vlogging setup. So I got many DMs on Instagram, not many, like 6 से 7 आए थे बस कि आप किस कैमरा में vlogging करते हो, which microphone you use and all the other stuff. So if you're a beginner like me, the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear about vlogging is the big fancy DSLRs, drones, GoPros, and I don't have any one of those. All I shoot is on my mobile phone, which is mounted on a Gorilla Pod. So I have a OnePlus 7T. If you have a mobile which is capable of recording at 1080p 30 fps, then you're good to go, man. Just don't think about those DSLRs for now. And recently I bought a new tripod from Amazon, and it cost me like 350 rupees. And we also do the unboxing. And find me a better place than this for unboxing, I'll wait for it. And also this is our first ever unboxing video. I wish it was a sponsored one. Not today. This is the tripod which I bought from Amazon, and as I told you, 350 rupees, budget friendly. I think this is best for mobile vlogging, man. Also you get a holder with it. So the holder which I was using before is this one, and ये बस selfie लेने के काम आएगा, because the quality is not bad quality. Bad quality. अच्छा किया मैंने खरीदा. So let's do the unboxing of this. तो मैंने पहले खोल रखा था चेक करने के लिए जब आया था. So this is the Gorilla Pod, and the quality is ठीक ठाक. I'll not say good one, because 350 में इतना ही मिलेगा. If you want a good quality one, खर्चो. So this is my new Gorilla tripod, and ठीक है. For mobile vlogging, this I would suggest this. Go for this tripod. And this is which I was using before, this tripod, and it cost me like 500 rupees. ये मैंने मार्केट में खरीदा था. ये भी अच्छा है यार. Like for mobile it can handle the weight, but for the camera I don't think so, क्योंकि ना जो ball head इसमें लगा है उतना टाइट नहीं है. मोबाइल के लिए this is good, nice, best. Okay, so now come the most important chapter in the syllabus of vlogging, that is the audio. Though you can compromise with your video quality, but you cannot compromise with the audio quality, man. The audio should be crisp and clear, and I'm avoiding this like from day one. All I record is on the internal microphone, which is not that good. Like from 1 arm distance it is okay, but if you go further than that, then the audio is not clear. But if you are searching for a microphone which is in a budget, I would suggest go for Boya microphones, because you will get all variety of microphones over there. Shotgun, collar mic, all. And if you have money like for the expensive microphone, definitely go for the Rode microphone. These are like top notch, used by all the professionals. 20,000, 30,000. This is all about my vlogging setup. A simple vlogging setup: mobile phone, a tripod, internal microphone. That's it. And once again I'll say, if you're a beginner like me, just don't think about those cameras. First see how your channel is performing, what reactions are you getting from your audience, and when you're all set, when you reach your milestone, pehla padav, then you should definitely go for those cameras. And for now I'll stick with this phone, and देखते हैं कब तक, कहाँ तक ये फ़ोन ले जाता है. Done with the talk. Now it's time to have some action. So today we'll be going to a more than 100 years old rusty iron British bridge, which is deep inside those forests. And bad news, it has started raining. तो सिर्फ दो चीज़ों से डर लगता है यहाँ पे, बारिश एंड भालू, स्पेशली द मामा बियर. फाइंड अ शेल्टर नाउ यार, ढूंढते हैं अब सर छुपाने के लिए कोई जगह. डोंट थिंक सो विल गेट वन हियर. Look who I found. Cow. Oh. Hello. आई डोंट नो कितना टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि मैं कभी वहाँ गया नहीं, मैंने बस फोटोज़ एंड वीडियोज़ में देखा है. सो व्हाट इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट दैट ब्रिज, आई लेट यू नो ऑन द वे. लेट्स गो. Okay, so let's talk about this British bridge, which is also known as the Kinnaura Bridge. So this bridge was built by the Britishers during their time to connect the two villages of Manali, village Kothi and the village Vashisht. Normally you see a bridge have a flat surface for walking, but this British bridge doesn't have any surface for walking because it was never built. The only surface you walk on are the parallel beams, like vertical and horizontal. So one wrong step on those beams will be like 50 to 80 feet down. So it will be a bit of an adventure to cross that bridge. And also you see that cottage, that rest house. If you want to have a stay away from the crowd, you can also stay here. Cheap and budget friendly, as the title suggests. Okay, so I'm getting a bad vibe about that bridge because last time जब हम यहाँ पे आए थे, मैं और सुधांशु, so this was the place जहाँ पे हम रुके थे. Road which I'm walking right now was never used to be like this. It is completely cemented. उस टाइम तो मिट्टी खड्डे क्या गए थे, अब ऐसा ना हो कि वो ब्रिज बन चुका हो यार, तब तो पूरा मज़ा ख़राब हो जाएगा. Fingers crossed. यार, talking about this spot, if you haven't seen failed vlog, it is on my Instagram. Link is in the description. Watch it. It's a funny video. Yeah, it's a funny video. फाइनली a muddy patch, ख़राब सड़कें. पहली बार अच्छा लग रहा है ख़राब सड़कें देखकर. मैं बस फिसलूँ ना यहाँ पे, नीचे में फिसल गया था गोबर में. So I wish I had my friends with me because this trail is so beautiful. Like from the start, I don't know where it will end when I'll find that British bridge. Vlogging alone and vlogging with friends, सब अलग-अलग, दोनों के अलग-अलग फ़ायदे. Because when you vlog alone, you have plenty of time. You can take as many retakes as you want, पर मज़ा दोस्तों के साथ आता है यार. बातों बातों में पता नहीं चलता कैसे पहुंच गए. अभी मुझे इतना टाइम लग रहा है जाने में, अब 2-3 दोस्त साथ में और होते तो क्या पता कंटेंट भी कुछ ज़्यादा मिल जाता. Also I can hear the waterfall. I think the British bridge is near. Here it is. That's the British bridge I was talking about. So ladies and gentlemen, let me show you the British bridge. is not safe. I don't know if you can hear me, but that is village Vashisht. That road goes to village Vashisht. और देख लो कितनी गहरी है यार. Sorry guys, I don't think I can cross it. Don't think I can do this. वैसे भी 3 दिनों से लगातार बारिश हो रही थी. जो सर पे जो मिट्टी वाला पैच है वो गीला गीला है, तो I don't think so I can do this. And also it looked way easy in the photos, but in real life when you come here, you need a jigra for that. This was British Bridge, and I hope someday I'll have the courage to cross this. So for then, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक कर सकते हो, नहीं पसंद आए तो डिसलाइक कर सकते हो. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave your feedback in the comment section. See you until next vlog. This is Siddhant Bodh signing off. Peace.